What do we have here?
This volcano's about to erupt.
A volcano? Where? Oh, not a real volcano. You had me worried.
Nope, this is way more fun. Here, let me show you what I'm doing. But first, always make sure to wear the proper lab safety gear before doing any experiments. Take a bottle. There's a little vinegar inside it. And this balloon has baking soda in it.
So, how does this work?
It's a simple chemical reaction. The vinegar is an acid with a low pH, and we're going to mix it with the baking soda, which is a base with a high pH. Ready to give it a try?
Wow, look at the balloon. How did it blow up like that?
Just like with the volcano, we mix together an acid and a base. They combine in a chemical reaction and created carbon dioxide, among some other things.
Wait, carbon dioxide, that's the gas we breathe out when we exhale.
That's right. It's also the gas that caused the balloon to inflate. And did you know we can use a similar chemical reaction in the kitchen to make Irish soda bread?
We can use a chemical reaction to make bread?
Yep. It's all about the ingredients we use and how they react to each other. We'll keep the baking soda, which remember, is basic, but we'll replace the vinegar we use in the volcano and balloon experiments with buttermilk. Both vinegar and buttermilk are acidic. If we mix baking soda with buttermilk, what do you think will happen when we bake the soda bread?
When we mixed an acid with the base before, the volcano bubbled up and the balloon expanded. So, bread will react similarly and rise or expand?
What if we leave out the buttermilk?
Well, we won't have the same reaction, so we won't have the carbon dioxide bubbles. It might not rise as high or even rise at all.
Let's find out. What do you think?
Well, they look very different, and they feel very different too. This one feels more fluffy, and this one is a little bit more flat and crunchy.
It looks like our prediction was correct. This one was made with buttermilk and baking soda.
I would have never guessed pH was all around us, even in the kitchen. Are you hungry?
Let's eat.